We as allies are facing one of the worst moments in European security since the end of the Second World War.
3, 2, 1!
It is important that we are prepared to defend our citizens, not just today, but also tomorrow.
By getting these technologies in front of our allied armed forces, we increase our tactical edge in order to contribute to our collective defence.
In Ukraine, innovation cycles that could take 5 or 6 years now goes in 5 or 6 months sometimes. So measures and countermeasures are driving this very quickly.
Defense is not just a question about the troops, but it's also a question about innovative solutions.
We need quality and quantity. We need to innovate and we need to act fast.
It's absolutely vital that we ramp up defense investments, and we know how to spend those defense investments because we're, as allies, all been given capability targets from NATO that we should fulfill.
This sends a clear demand signal to our industries that there is real market, there's real need, and there's real money.
So Diana exists to expedite the adoption of innovative technologies into the NATO alliance. We are the connective tissue between emerging technology and defence end users and senior defence decision makers. Kelluu is a Finnish company with an airship that does persistent intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance and creates a digital twin of the environment that it's mapping. Lobster Robotics do subsea seabed mapping, and they are participating as a procured asset by the Dutch Navy.
This is the Scout 3. It's our newest generation drone. With our underwater drones, we want to make it super easy for NATO countries to protect critical underwater infrastructure, to identify mines, and to make the underwater space a lot safer.
Diana was started because it takes a very long time sometimes to procure battle-winning solutions and also to identify emerging technology.
We need to wake up every morning and aggressively attack bureaucracy, because bureaucracy right now is hindering us to turn economic clout into combat power. And our aim is, of course, to put things in the hands of the warfighter much more quickly.
It is important that we are prepared to defend our citizens, not just today, but also tomorrow. And this is why we need to focus on new innovative solutions to deliver to our armed forces the capabilities, the equipment, the systems, the platforms they need to defend us all.